Hey everyone! I recently went on a quest to find the best zip front sports bras out there, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After buying and testing 5 of the top contenders, I'm here to share my honest experiences. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. Fruit of the Loom Women's Multi-Pack Front Closure Cotton Bra. Let me start with the Fruit of the Loom Women's Multi-Pack Front Closure Cotton Bra. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the convenience of the front closure. I'm someone who's always in a rush, so being able to just hook it up at the front made my mornings a lot easier. It's especially handy for those days when you're just trying to get out the door. The wide built-up straps provided ample support without digging into my shoulders, which is a huge plus. I wore it for everything from yoga to casual outings, and I have to say, the all-day comfort is real. The lightweight and breathable fabric kept me cool during workouts and casual wear alike. You can feel the quality in the fabric, and knowing it's eco-conscious makes it even better. The 3-pack is a steal at just $14.98, and the removable pads are a nice touch for those who prefer a little extra support. However, it's not ideal for high-impact activities. If you're into running or high-intensity workouts, you might want something more supportive. Overall, if you're looking for a comfortable, versatile, and eco-friendly sports bra that does well for low to medium impact activities, this one is a fantastic choice. Pros: affordable, comfortable, breathable, and eco-friendly. Cons: not suitable for high-impact workouts. Why buy it? Because it provides great value for everyday comfort without breaking the bank.
Product number 2. Women's Zip Front Sports Bra, Wireless Post-Surgery Bra, Active Yoga Sports Bras. Next up is the Wanna You Women's Zip Front Sports Bra. Now this baby has some serious upgrades. The first thing that struck me was the zipper. This isn't just any zipper. It has a self-locking feature that prevents it from sliding down during your workout. Trust me, that's a game changer. The fabric is super soft and stretchy, making it perfect for a wide range of activities, from yoga to running errands. I really appreciated the removable pads, which you can easily take out if you want a more natural look. The Racerback design not only adds a sexy flair, but also provides extra support and ventilation, keeping you cooler during those intense sessions. I've worn it for everything from light jogging to yoga, and it handled everything seamlessly. However, the only downside I found was that after prolonged use, the straps could start to feel a bit tight, especially if you're not used to a snug fit. Pros: secure zipper, comfortable fabric, and stylish design. Cons: straps may feel tight over time. Why buy it? It's perfect for anyone needing a reliable sports bra that's both functional and stylish, especially for those who have had surgery.
Product number 3. Lemef Front Zipper Sports Bras for women. Now, let's talk about the Lemef Front Zipper Sports Bra. For just $9.99, this bra is a steal. I was initially skeptical about the low price, but once I put it on, I was pleasantly surprised by its quality. The breathable, moisture-wicking fabric is a dream, especially during my longer workouts. The front zip feature is incredibly convenient for quick changes, which I appreciate. I found the self-locking zipper to be sturdier than expected, and it stayed put during my jogs. One of my favorite features is the customizable support. The lack of padding allows for a natural shape, which is refreshing. You can add your own pads, making it versatile for different occasions. The Racerback design is stylish and provides decent support for low to medium impact activities. However, if you're looking for a high support bra, this might not deliver. Pros: affordable, breathable, and customizable support. Cons: not suitable for high impact activities. Why buy it? If you want a budget-friendly, comfortable option for low impact workouts, the Lemef bra is hard to beat.
Product number 4. Yvette Front Closure Sports Bras for women. Now, let's dive into the Yvette Front Closure Sports Bra. Priced at $34, this bra is designed for high-impact workouts, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. The YKK zipper is top-notch. I never once worried about it slipping down while I was running. The sewn-in pads provide maximum support, and the Cool Max fabric is a major bonus. It really helps wick away sweat, which I found crucial during intense workouts. One thing I really loved is how the design caters to different body shapes, ensuring that comfort and support are prioritized. After trying it out during a high-intensity interval training session, I can confidently say that it held everything in place without feeling restrictive. However, on the downside, the price point might be a bit high for some shoppers. Pros: excellent support, high-quality materials, and good for high-impact activities. Cons: higher price point. Why buy it? If you're serious about your workouts and need a bra that can keep up, the Yvette bra is worth every penny. Product number 5. EverCute Zip Front Post-Surgery Bra. Finally, we have the EverCute Zip Front Post-Surgery Bra. This one is especially designed for recovery, and at $31.49, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who's just had surgery. I found it incredibly easy to put on and take off, which is crucial when you're not able to lift your arms much. The anti-scratch device on the zipper is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you don't have to deal with irritating skin. The removable pads provide just the right amount of support without feeling constrictive. One standout feature is the pleated design in the chest area, which allows for extra space, making it comfortable even if you're wrapped in gauze. The fabric is soft and breathable, which is a must during recovery. However, the sizing can be a bit tricky. I recommend checking the size chart closely to find your best fit. Pros: excellent for recovery, soft fabric, and easy to use. Cons: sizing can be tricky. Why buy it? If you're recovering from surgery or need a gentle, supportive bra, the EverCute is an excellent choice.